You sneeze, but do you know why? Achoo! When something irritates the lining of our nasal passages, our body's response is swift and powerful. Sneezing can be triggered by various irritant dust, pollen, allergens, or even a sudden exposure to bright light. It's our body's way of clearing the airways. During a sneeze, several things happen simultaneously. The diaphragm contracts, the chest muscles compress the lungs, and a rush of air is forced out through the mouth and nose. The speed of a sneeze can exceed 100 miles per hour, and it releases thousands of tiny droplets. This is why it's crucial to cover your mouth and nose when sneezing to prevent the spread of germs. After a sneeze, our body typically feels relieved. The irritant is gone, and the sneeze has done its job. It's our body's way of hitting the reset button on our respiratory system. Now you know why!